Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable Windows Spotlight on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you got learn more about this picture on your desktop and want to go ahead and disable Windows Spotlight, what we need to do is right click on our desktop and then click into Personalize. Then from here, we need to click onto Themes. This is where we can manage our themes. So on the top here, it says Background Windows Spotlight. So in order to change this, we want to go ahead and click on Current Theme and then choose a theme here. Or we can click on where it says Windows Spotlight and then it says personalize your background. From here, click on the little drop down menu. We can change it to a picture, solid color, or slideshow. So if we want to choose picture, go ahead and click on picture and you can see your recent images inside of here. So I'm going to change it back to this one. So I'm going to double click it. Alright, so I'm choosing this picture and then I'm going to exit out and as you can see Windows Spotlight has been disabled.